Hey Mike, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. So before I get into content, I just want to compliment you on your site. I like how it's quite simple. Just a nice black and white. You got some good pictures in there. Yeah, it's just a good site. Looks good. All right. I would suggest having a tabs though organized up here with like home, services, contact page, reviews, gallery, etc. But yeah, it looks pretty good besides that. So now I'm going to go over here to your competition. So Hardwick is your competition, all right? Because when we type in fence company St. Augustine, Superior Fence Rail and Hardwick are the number 1 and 2 spots, okay? Superior Fence Rail is found everywhere, and what is that? Myrtle Beach, Charleston, Jacksonville, Pensacola, Fort Myers, you name them, Superior Fence Rail is everywhere. So Hardwick Fence, when I typed in their content from their page, they came up to 578 words on their homepage. So why do you want a lot of content on your homepage? This is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go through the content, crawling, looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So when I typed in your word counter, it came up with 320. Not that much. But what you really want to be, like I said, is around 1,500 words. All right, so a keyword. What is a keyword? Anywhere, anything that's tailored to your service, niche, or area. So fence company St. Augustine, fence installation St. Augustine fence contractors, wood fence St. Augustine, etc. Stuff like that. All right, so those are considered keywords. Another trick I have is that you can actually save images as a keyword for Google to find. So if we do save image as, it says chain plus LN minus 426W. All right, that picture should be saved under fence installation St. Augustine, Florida, or fence company St. Augustine, just so it tells Google where they want that buyer to go. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And to do that, I'm going to use my tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool, I will say, but you can get other free tools SEO-wise like SEMrush, SEO Quake, etc. There's a couple free ones. I just like Ahrefs because it's the most accurate, and, well, I'm a digital marketer, so I need it. All right, so what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most people wins the most organic spot. All right. So, however, not all links are created equal. So it's worth noticing relevancy to your industry, and local websites will work best for that. So when I plugged you up into Ahrefs, you came up with 2 referring domains and 5 backlinks, 5 organic keywords. Your competition over here, which is Hardwick Fence, they have 45 referring domains, 112 backlinks, 148 keywords, and 228 organic traffic. And that is organic traffic. That's not ads, all right? That is just straight to their website for having that number 1, number 2 spot. So I'm going to do some quick math with you real quick. If you get to that spot, and if you just land 10% of those clients, let's lowball it, just 10%. That's an extra, 228, what is that, 25 people? So an extra 25 customers a month just on 10% of the closing rate. That you charge that times how many fences you do per month. You're talking some pretty big bang for your buck. All right. So they have more referring domains and more backlinks than you. So whenever you're implementing these backlinks into your website, you need to make sure they're relevant. And the best example I could give is would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Best Fence USA, 100%, because you have absolutely nothing to do with pizzas, right? So the third thing I want to talk to you was citations. Citation is actually how you get ranked in this map pack down here. So I found you on the second page, but we don't want you just on the second page and not even the first page, but we want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for fence company St. Augustine, your website and your business is already on their mind here and here, okay? So how do you get ranked in this map pack? Like I said, citation. So what is citation? Anything that's what we say a NAP, name, address, or phone number. So anywhere you plug your name, address, or phone number into on Google, that is a citation. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found all over Google, all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. All right, so just closing out, I just want to go over the 3 things we talked about. So one was content. Add about 1,500 words on your homepage. Save these pictures under those keywords. And for just an example, I'm going to go over to organic keywords that Hardwick is ranking for, and so you can see. So fence company, St. Augustine. Fence companies, St. Augustine. Fence installation, St. Augustine. So I get to see this volume here. You have some pretty high volume keywords that you could be implementing, all right? And these are searches per month, by the way. In this KD, keyword difficulty, pretty relatively low. So it should not take long to rank for as well, all right? So content, implement those keywords, add a lot of content. Second, backlinks. Get relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority, that you deserve that #1 spot. Third thing, citations. That's how you get ranked in this map pack. Need about 200 of these bad boys at least to be untouchable in this map pack, okay? So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we could talk about your goals and I could do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video. Again, my name is Josh. Feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My number is 904-383-8479. I really hope this video helps you and have a great day.